Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do not wrap potatoes in aluminum foil for baking. Foil holds in moisture and steams the potatoes, resulting in a boiled taste and texture. A baked potato is ready when a fork easily pierces its skin. If the potato is hard, bake it a little longer.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, it's good to prick them, Smith told Food 52. It pokes holes in the skin, which allows steam to escape. Otherwise, they could explode. It doesn't happen all the time, but it happens every once in a while. The potato is full of water, it's trying to turn to steam, or water vapor.
Take our lead.
Adding oil to potatoes before baking is perfectly fine, just a personal preference. Without oil, the Idaho russet skin bakes up crispy. With oil, the skin will carry a lot of the flavor of the oil, so some people have a preference for using olive oil or peanut oil.
Take our lead.
While microwaving to completely cook the potato will result in a soft and mealy russet, cooking in the microwave for just 5 to 6 minutes before placing in the oven keeps the potato's original texture. Drizzling with olive oil and sprinkling with salt before baking at 400 F will allow the skin to get nice and crisp.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.